Alright, so I'm going to be testing the Hunter 1912 mission, and for those who want to see the tag, here it is. It's covered up by the light kit because if it was on the motor housing, people would see the tag, and it's not completely concealed enough. So, and if you guys want to see, there's no Medalist series tag on it anywhere, so there's none of it. Those Medalist series tag on this fan. So we'll go ahead and test it. We'll start off light. And we'll do the fan. I put it on reverse for some reason off camera. So we'll start with high. I usually start high with motor without the blades. Medium. Low. Off. I have to remove this light kit because this reverse switch we tucked inside. That's the problem. So, yeah. Add the blades, which you already seen in the video of my recent acquisition. Alright. So, it stops. Alright, here's reverse. Here's high speed. I usually start off with the first speed on the motor without the blades. And yeah, I figured I would assemble the light plate so it can be easier for me to reach the reverse switch. So, which is actually the reverse chain. So, yeah. Pull reverse chain, and I'll put it back in. Should be downdraft for the video, and yeah. So there you have it. And for those who want to see the motor size label on it, I'll try to give you a better look at it. So it should say 172 by 20. I'm sorry, but focus. 172 by 20. Come on. Yep, you can see it better. So that's all I have today with the motor test on the Hunter 1912 mission. A full demonstration will hopefully be coming tomorrow, so for me, but I might consider doing a full demonstration for the 5-year anniversary, but let's face it, I will record with the blades tomorrow, and then I'll see where I will upload it on. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed.